Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Duplicate this screen if I want to go. And see the field here. Suppose if I am selecting something as this one. Okay. Division area. So from where this field is coming. So if I will go here. You can see the field is coming from here. That is one that shared service. You can see, here you have an option. Here view division. You can see this coming from here is field. Is here this is one shared service. Can see this is service. This is coming from here. You can see from here. This shared. You can this coming from here. This shared. Here is a G. Is here. Is something. You can how to find this. I am not giving any space and 32 character, and here I am taking the name label as location area. So now for I need to have the value from the foundation of it. For that I need to get the code. From where I will get the code. Location is define it in where it is in the data model, right, correct? So in which data model it is defined? It is define it in the corporate data model, right? So when I will open the XML, let me open the XML and I will share it to you. You can see, okay. So now in the XML, because this topic which we have already covered earlier. So I will go to the location where this location Now, this is the location, right? So code is nothing but the ID, right? Label is the location, but here you can see the ID. Okay, so I will copy this, because this will be the code for me, and again I will go back into my system, and here is my system visible. Yes, and I will paste it here. Okay. Okay, the code, because for the code only. I went into the XML. I will go there and I will click on Done and I will click on Save. Okay, so once it is being done, then I will go and refresh it once. Okay, now you can see location area. And location area. You can see the location. You can see here. All the locations will be coming here where it is defined, manage object-based object correct. So this is another scenario where I am trying to create a custom field, and that custom field, I want that field should behave as a foundation object, because I want the values of the foundation object. So I am not going to copy that field. I am just going to copy that field and I am going to paste it here. So that is the reason I have taken the data type as foundation object. Okay, and when I am taking as a foundation object, I should have a valid value source that I need to take it, the code, I need to paste it here for the field for the mapping. Okay, and after that I will save it. The same thing will be reflecting in the managed data when I go into the business unit and I see the field will be showing. And the field will be having the value of the foundation object. Okay, is it clear? This is another way of exploring any of the custom field with the help of the data types. Okay. So I just created it and I am just deleting it so that I want to make it back to normal. So here we comes to an end of the data type. So I am going to show you the one part of the MDF, that is, we have discussed the above part, all the code, effective rating, as well, as we have also discussed about the fields also. That is, this is the standard one which we have discussed, the length maximum up to 255 we can able to go and take, and various type of data types. And in the details we have all the field properties or the attributes which we say, where we can able to play with it. Most importantly, the length, the required mandatory or not mandatory, and also the visibility of the field. Okay, the label of the field, all these things we can able to control from this section. Okay. So this is all about the today's session which we have discussed.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.